ओंटारियो सरकार अजिहा बिल लियाउण जा रही है। जे वो पास हो जाता है तो टैंपरेरी हैल्थ एजेंसियां ते रिक्रूटर्स नूं ब्रैम्पटन विच आपरेट करन लई लाइसेंस की लोड़ होवेगी। प्रस्तावित तब्दीलियां नाल अधिकारियों नूं गैर लाइसेंस शुदा THAs या गैर लाइसेंस शुदा आपरेटर्स की वरतों करने वाले कारोबार खिलाफ जुर्माने लाने की खुल होगी। लेबर ट्रेनिंग ते स्किल्स डेवलपमेंट मंत्री मोंटी मैकनोटन ने कहा है कि पहले दिन तो ही असीं यह यकीनी बनावांगे कि जेड़े भी कोई एम्पलॉयर अपने वर्कर्स के अधिकारां की उलंघना कर रहा होगा उस खिलाफ कार्रवाई करने लई साडे अधिकारी उसके दरवाजे उत्ते पहुंच सकणगे।
In Ontario, there are over 3,000 temporary help agencies and thousands of recruiters. Most, like Salim here of System Staffing Solutions, are upstanding operations. They treat their workers with the dignity and respect they deserve while helping employers fill short-term labor needs. Unfortunately, some are lawbreakers who exploit their workers. This needs to change. Over the past 2 years, my ministry has focused inspections on temporary help agencies. The underground activity they found makes millions of dollars off the backs of workers by not paying minimum wage, not paying holiday pay, and not paying overtime pay. They also found recruiters charging workers illegal hiring fees and then clawing back their pay. This ends now. It's time we return these stolen paychecks to the workers who earn them and level up the playing field for all agencies and recruiters. Today, I'm pleased to announce the most comprehensive plan in Canada to protect vulnerable workers and honest employers. Our plan, if passed, would require agencies and recruiters to get a license, pay a security bond, and be listed on a public online database. Those who fail to get a license or choose to use an unlicensed agency will face the highest fines in the country and could face possible jail time. We're shining a light on rule breakers and sending a clear message. Breaking the law is not a cost of doing business in Ontario. If you're not following the rules, we can and we will shut you down. We are taking these steps to help vulnerable workers, mostly young people, women, migrant workers, and newcomers who are being exploited by unethical agencies. My ministry is also taking immediate enforcement action. This year, we are hiring dedicated boots on the ground to crack down on labor trafficking. No worker should have their movements tracked. No workers should have their passports taken away from them. And no worker should be sleeping on a straw bed. Simply put, no worker in a province as prosperous and fair as ours should be going to work in fear. Our government will spare no expense to protect the health and safety of every worker in Ontario, regardless of their passport.